Good morning, Dr. Buhaida. My name is Ying. My metric number is AP170396. This video is about the step 4 tutorial, which is basic vector styling. For the first, I have downloaded the data from here. After that, I need to open the QGIS. I find my data from the browser, user, download, I get the new layer, add to the layer panel. The global power plant database comes as a CSV file, so I need to import it. I click the Open Data Source. And I found the data that I have downloaded just now. And I select the CSV file. I open it. In the tutorial, it's right. Leave the geometric CRS to the default value. The default value EPSG4326 WGS at 4. After that, I click Add. A new layer will be added to the layer panel, and I see the points representing the power plant in the canvas. Now I click the Open Layer Styling panel button on the top of the layer panel. The open layer is open on the right. I select this data first. Click the simple view and scroll down. Select the view color. Click the draw down next to the stroke color and select transparent stroke. Next, I select the second layer. Click the simple marker and scroll down. Pick a triangle. I scroll up and select the fill color. A useful cartographic technique is to choose a slightly darker version of the fill color as the stroke color. Rather than trying to pick that manually, QGIS provides an expression to control this more precisely. Click the Data Define Override button and choose Edit. Enter the following expression to set the color to be 13% dark shade than the fill color and click OK. I noticed that the Data Define Override button next to stroke color has turned yellow. It's indicating that this property is controlled by an override. No single symbol rendering of the power plant layer is not very useful. It does not convey much information except the locations of the power plant. Let's use a different renderer to make it more useful. So I click the symbology and I select the categorize. Select it on primary view as the column. Then I click classify. While the categorized view is useful, this layer contains too much categories for one to meaningfully interpret the map. A better approach could be to group certain types of view categories and reduce the number of classes. I try to create 3 categories, which is renewable view, non-renewable view, and other. I select the root base and I select but one rules by holding the Control key and click one by one. Once I selected, I click Remove Selected Rules button to delete them. I select the remaining rule and click Edit Current Rule. I enter renewable fill in the label column. Then I click the expression button next to the filter. In this dialog, I enter primary fill. After that, I write about the primary fill. I forgot to put this, so just now I cannot click OK. So now I put this, so I can click OK. After that, I click simple marker and I black. I copy paste. a copy of the existing rule will be added. I select this new one and do the same step. And I enter non-renewal. And I click the expression. In this, I enter about after that I click OK. Then I click the simple marker again, and I back. I repeat the copy paste process. And repeat the same step. But in this, I enter other as a label, and I choose else, catch all for other futures. This will ensure that any category missed in the previous two rules. I scroll down and I click the same simple marker again, and I choose the fill color. After I done the color, I back again. So the recategorization is complete. I will see a much clearer view that shows the distribution of renewable VS. This, however, does not give a complete picture. We can add another variable to the styling. Rather than displaying all marker with uniform size, we can show the sizes proportional to the power generation capacity of each plant. I right-click the renewable fuel rule and select change size. I click the data define, override, and edit. As the power generation capacity varies a lot among our dataset, an effective way to get a small range for size is using log10 function. Then I click OK. Okay. I repeat the same process for other rules. Then I click OK. I repeat again for the third rule. After that, I close the layer styling panel. Looking at the final visualization, I can immediately see the pattern in the dataset. These are the video for the step 4, which is basic vector styling. Thank you.